Come on in and join the fun. Quack! Cause our party's just begun. It's such a treat when best friends meet. We're inviting everyone, so jump right in. There's a lot to do. Margaret's flower bow tunes are waiting for you. These glow in the dark paints are gonna make the panadas pump. Oh, what was that? It's just the wind. Mommy?
Why are you so jumpy? 'Cause like it says, on dark and stormy nights, the spooky doodle stink monster returns to give you flight.
Stink monster? What's that? Well, let me tell you about him. On a stormy night, I get a sense of fright. When the lightning strikes, beware. Ooh! 'Cause when you open your eyes, you'll get a big surprise. Watch out! The stink monster is there. He's got spots and horns and prickly thorns and a nose that glows brightly pink. Oh my! But the spookiest, doodlest thing of all is a stinky stink. Is that true? Is the stinkiest stinkity stink. Oh, Mommy.
There's no such thing as monsters.
Well, we'll see.
There go the lights again.
That's kind of weird.
Oh, girls.
That's nothing here.
The stink monster. What's that smell? I don't know. Oh dear!
Glowing footprints!
Maybe the spooky doodle stink monster is real.
What do we do? Mommy!
You're the expert. You tell us.
The only way to get rid of him is with stinkier stink. We need something extra stinky. Mommy, give me your shoes.
Hey, okay, fine.
Follow these footprints. Girls? What? I think the stink monster is following us.
The stink monster is right here.
Glowing spots
In a glowing pink nose.
I think we found the stink monster.
It was this cute little skunk all along.
I bet he was just spooked just like us. I guess I got a little carried away.
I think I just got a little carried away.
We all get a little scared sometimes, Mommy. Even a little stinkier.